How to download T4 slip PDF from CRA. So just go ahead to the CRA website, of course, and log into your account. Then you're going to go ahead and find these options. You could just go ahead to taxes over here, and then you're going to find forms and publications. Then once you're here, forms and publications, just go ahead and press on this, which is the CRA forms. In CRA forms, go ahead to the filter items and just type in T4 and then remuneration. So it should just be right here. So press on the T4 on the very left, which is the number section, but you'll get ways to get the form or download the form itself. You have this option. You must download and open fillable PDFs in Acrobat Reader 10. You have the fillable PDF you can print and fill out by hand. You have the standard PDF print. You could download and listen if you'd like, or you could ask for an alternative format. You can do these options. Let's say this one, standard print PDF. It's gonna download directly, and then you'll basically just get this. This didn't really download, so what we're gonna do is just press on this one, fillable PDF. It's gonna download like so, and just go ahead and open the file. But it's pretty much now downloaded. Hopefully this helps, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.